The way we've discussed unlawful occupation so far in courts or in scholarship is not by looking at numbers, but rather by looking at singular families. And the problem is that with the current housing backlog in South Africa, after apartheid ended and the state has failed to provide housing in enough numbers, has meant that unlawful occupation has really spiked. And that has led us to a problem that I call mass unlawful occupation. And the issue that we have now is that the courts are not equipped to deal with these kind of issues. The conventional legal remedies that we have, like simple eviction orders or court enforcement orders or interdicts, are just not enough anymore. The framework that the LLD proposes actually entails a compensation mechanism for private property owners, in that they can only ask for compensation if they would like. They do not absolutely have to, and it's only if they think that their property has been unlawfully occupied at the levels of mass unlawful occupation. So what this essentially means is that the compensation framework first forces the state to at least consider a negotiation where they would look at buying the land from the property owner. And it's only if the state refuses to absolutely engage in that negotiation with the landowner that the landowner can go to court and force the state to expropriate the land from them. The issue with mass unlawful occupation so far has been that private landowners have had to go to court in order to enforce their property rights and get compensation. In addition to that, unlawful occupiers as well don't have security of tenure. When landowners go to court, they often even have to resort to asking for expropriation to happen. In the end, what ends up happening is that there is no recourse available to them except for asking for some sort of damages, which they never know when it's going to end. And the unlawful occupiers also do not get tenure. It's just an impending doom of never really knowing what's going to happen. The proposed framework of this doctorate offers a solution that actually compensates the landowner through expropriation, but also offers security of tenure to the mass unlawful occupiers by no longer making it an issue of enforcement of the law, but rather asking the state to actually provide the service delivery to the unlawful occupiers.